Hey there and welcome back. Are you looking to send emails using Pocketbase as a framework? In this video, we will learn exactly that. So let's dive right in. We will start by creating a new Pocketbase as a framework project. For that, we will create a new directory. I call it send email Pocketbase. And inside the directory we created, we will create a new file called main.go. Inside the file, we will add the following boilerplate code. First, the needed imports, and then we create a new Pocketbase application and start it. We then initialize the project by running go mod init and then go mod tidy to download the required packages. Inside the main function, we then add a new post endpoint called API email. In this endpoint, we will create a new mailer message using the configured Pocketbase sender as the from object, and then add an address to the to field, and lastly specify a subject and the message of the email. We then send out the email. To actually send out the email, we have to start Pocketbase using go run main go serve. We then need to specify an SMTP server in Pocketbase. For that, check this 2-minute video. To then send the email, we will access the API email endpoint, for example, with the Funder client VS Code extension. Perfect. With that, you have sent your first email using Pocketbase as a framework. It was pretty simple, wasn't it? If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Happy coding!